alphabet books. Today we are reading C book. Cake. Camel cat. Cookie cow. Cup. The camel put the cookie in the cup. The cat and the cow ate the cake. The C book is done. We are gonna read the book soon. Bye bye, kids.